Think early retirement is only for the rich? It's not. I'm going to show you how thousands of everyday Americans, teachers, nurses, even Walmart employees are retiring in their 50s without winning the lottery, without a six-figure job, and without giving up coffee. Stay with me. This could change the next 30 years of your life. ElyzeUSA helps you retire smarter, sooner, and tax-free. No hype, just real money talk for real Americans. In this video, I'll explain how to retire early on a normal salary in the US.
What early retirement really means? Most Americans think early retirement means age 40. But let's be realistic. For average earners, retiring by 55-58 is already a win. That's a full decade before Social Security kicks in. The key? Planning, not just dreaming.
The 25x rule. Your retirement target. Want to know how much you need? Use the 25x rule. Multiply your annual expenses by 25. If you spend $35,000 a year, your retirement number is $875,000. This sounds big, but we'll show how normal people reach it.
The power of saving early, even small amounts. Let's say you earn $45,000 a year. If you save just 15%, that's $6,750 a year, or about $560 a month. Invest that into a Roth IRA or 401k and earn 7% average returns. In 25 years, you'll have over $450,000, $600,000 saved. Now add Social Security, part-time income, or home equity, and you're there.
Tools to get there. Faster live below your means. Early retirees drive used cars, skip big houses, and avoid lifestyle inflation. Automate investing. Set and forget contributions to a Roth IRA or 401k. Use the FIRE method. Financial independence. Retire early. Save aggressively, invest smart, and cut the noise.
Avoid these mistakes. Don't rely only on Social Security. It won't be enough. Don't ignore healthcare. Plan for private or early Medicare gap coverage. Don't keep all your savings in cash. Invest it to beat inflation.
Optional income after retirement. Early retirement doesn't mean zero income. Many retirees work part-time as tutors, consultants, drivers, or even Airbnb hosts. It's work by choice, not necessity. And that flexibility is the real definition of freedom.
My suggestions: you don't need a six-figure salary to retire early. You need strategy, consistency, and a willingness to live differently from the crowd. Start today, save more, spend less, invest smart, and in 10-15 years, your future self will thank you.
If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly no BS guides to retire rich, relaxed, and ready. This is ElyzeUSA. See you in the next video.